Hi. Welcome to my channel. Today lesson. I will show you how to install ffmpeg in Windows computer. Open web browser and search for ffmpeg. Then go to website and click download. Select Windows. Click Architecture version 64-bit or 32-bit. Click Download and Save File. I already download the file and uncompress using WinRAR. Rename the extracted folder as ffmpeg. Cut and paste in C drive. Then go to bin folder and copy the folder path. Then add folder path to the environmental variables. Right-click on my PC, go to Advanced Settings. Then go to Environmental Variables. Select Path, click Editor, and click New. Paste the copied folder path for ffmpeg. Click OK. Then click OK. Go to Start and type ffmpeg. Then start command prompt. Then type ffmpeg-h for help. If ffmpeg is installed correctly, it show the result. If you like to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.